Okay, so in today's video about XRP, I am going to check out the live chart, but the main focus of this video is going to be mostly on the news and also on-chain side of stuff, because I'm seeing some interesting signs suggesting the bull run is not over and I want to share them with you. So with that said, hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you are having a great time with your family and loved ones, and let's start today's video by reading this article. And according to the title, $235 million XRP withdrawals stunts major exchange. And I think this happened on OKX. Where is it? There we go. After the massive turmoil on cryptocurrency market in the past few days, on Wednesday, March 5th, we saw a rebound with the prices of digital assets shining green. In that period, an unknown large investor withdrew about 95 million XRP tokens, equivalent to about $235 million from major centralized exchange OKX. Now, why do I bring this up? Because I think this might be a piece of a bigger puzzle. Let's just read another article. There we go. Active XRP addresses skyrocket crazy 620%. Here is what is happening, and let's just read this one. Okay. Over the past 7 days, the number of XRP active addresses has skyrocketed by a staggering 620% as it increased from 74,000 to about 462,000 addresses. This is not usual, and to me, this suggests that probably whales are accumulating in this space. And let's just actually open this picture on a new tab. There we go. As you can see, the gray histogram in here is the number of active addresses, and in February, we were somewhere between 50 to 70,000 addresses. However, in the last couple of days, since we got the recent pump and dump situation in XRP, the number of active addresses has seen a massive surge. So this is a positive sign, but for me, it's not actually enough. You see, a lot of people are saying because the prices are not really doing a whole lot at the moment in Bitcoin and also a whole lot of altcoins, including even XRP, we can argue maybe our bull run is over. Now, here's a question for you. Let's say, okay, our bull run is over in XRP. Then right in here, whales should be buying XRP, Bitcoin, and a lot of other altcoins, or should they sell in this phase? I think we can all acknowledge that whales in here, in case that our bull run is over, should absolutely sell their assets. But on-chain data definitely suggests something else. For example, this is Bitcoin drawdowns, and as you can see, we have kind of recently reached to an oversold level that we were similarly back at the lows during this bull run starting from the beginning of 2023. So this to me suggests that soon, somewhere around the current area, we are going to establish some sort of a bottom. Does this mean that we're not going to go any lower than the current point? No, we can go lower, but downsides, according to this chart in BTC, are going to be extremely limited. Do we have some more positive signs? Absolutely. Let's just go on this one. There we go. This is Ethereum inflows into accumulation addresses. Basically, the blue histogram in here shows whales buying the absolute hell out of the recent dip. And as you can see, this is just skyrocketing. So if you want to say that our bull run is over in Ethereum, okay, answer me this. Why are we having whales buying during this move down big time? This to me is really unusual, and it does kind of suggest that probably our bull run is not over and this is just going to be a temporary correction structure. Now, at this point, you might say, well, okay, if whales in Bitcoin and also XRP and Ethereum are buyers, why are we having a consolidation? Why is it that the price not going up right now? That is a great question, and I think I have the answer for you. So the gray histogram in here is actually the positive 30-day capital inflows. This basically shows how much money is getting into the crypto market every single day. And as you can see, in the last 30 to 45 days, what are we having? A move on the downside in this chart. So this means that at the moment, at least, again, just at the moment, people are not really interested in the crypto market. Does this mean that we're going to have a move down because of this? In my opinion, no, because I told you, it seems like that during this phase of consolidation, whales are big buyers and downsides because of that are kind of limited. But again, if you want to know why is the price not going up right now, this, in my opinion, is going to be the main reason. So let's have a conclusion and wrap up this part of the video. If you want to look for a reason for why we're not having a big move on the upside in the whole crypto market, that's because not enough money is getting into the market. And as you can see, according to this chart, capital inflows are kind of at a low. However, this doesn't mean that our bull run is over. For example, if we had this thing alongside with on-chain data suggesting that whales are selling, okay, that actually could have been a very dangerous sign suggesting we may have entered a bear market at this point. However, we are definitely not having that. Sure, not a whole lot of money is getting into the crypto market, but at the same time, it seems like that whales are big buyers in Ethereum, Bitcoin, and also XRP. So according to these signs, in my opinion, our bull run is just far from over. Now, let's go on 15-minute chart and see what is happening in XRP. So as you can see, we are having a move on the upside, and also the fact that relative to a whole lot of other altcoins in XRP, this move is actually a bit stronger. In my opinion, can be a bullish sign. However, we are having kind of overlapping of the waves, and when you compare this move up relative to this move on the downside, well, unfortunately, you cannot help but say this, for now at least, does look a bit weak. So what do we want to see in XRP in order to be optimistic with more confidence? I'm gonna say probably a very strong move on the upside starting from the current point. If we continue doing something like this, that's not really going to be a good sign, and I'm gonna say at that point that we are probably having 5-wave down, correction up, and well, unfortunately, you may see another move down in order to at least take this low down here about $2.2. But for now, I would like to say it's just a bit of waiting game, and we need to watch the price action very carefully and see, are we finally going to get a big move on the upside, a very strong move, and hopefully enough we are going to have a whole lot of less overlaps, or maybe this sideways price action is just going to continue a bit more, and at that point, that's not really going to be a bullish sign. So I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in XRP's price chart. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And if you want more, maybe you want a complete analysis for your own specific crypto, or maybe you want to learn some decent TA in order to be able to make good money in the markets, you can become a member and ask me anything you want. And until the next video, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.